Take it further, bro. I'm recording him. Don't touch him, Lucky. Bro, I know the rules.
And can you please give me my access card?
What card?
Can I please have my card?
Just leave them alone.
Okay, it's you.